Kitu ya kwanza ni kuuliza Machakos. The grounds are leveled, therefore accountable for what the youth is doing in there. Mole ndakaza kuwe moke makagomana na umea.
Gala namba 2 anajiita Kiri apata goli la pili kupitia kichwa. Anachukua sasa ni kijana Andrew kwake.
Hizo clubs zitakuwa registered. Duku, Madam Duku. All the clubs in Matungulu will be registered. Na tutaipea certificate from FKF.
There is grassroots leagues in every constituency, which begins from the ward level to sub-ward, and then to sub-county, it goes to county and to national, so that we can build the national teams of Kenya, and we tap the talents which you have seen here in Matungulu.